In this unit, we'll focus on part 3 of the IELTS speaking test. This part of the speaking test is also known as the discussion. In this part of the test, the examiner has a discussion with you. The discussion is about general themes related to the topic in part 2. This final part of the test lasts for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's important to remember this because this is the final part of the speaking test. It is your last chance to display your speaking skills and show the examiner what you can do. Let's see an example of what happens in part 3.
Now, we've just been talking about the topic of special occasions, and I'd just like to ask you 1 or 2 more general questions related to this. First of all, how important is it, in your view, to share special occasions with your family?
Very important. In my case, I couldn't have graduated without them, so I wanted them to be there. I mean, they paid for my books, they drove me to school, they helped me with homework, so I wanted them to celebrate with me.
So in part 3 of the speaking test, the questions you are asked are more general and abstract. This part of the speaking test is designed to test your ability to explain your opinions and also analyse and discuss and speculate about issues. Let's look at some examples of the types of questions you might be asked in part 3 of the speaking test. If, for example, your part 2 topic was about describing a special occasion, then the examiner could ask you questions related to this. Here are some examples. For special occasions, the examiner may ask you, what are some different special occasions celebrated in your country? What clothing is worn at these special occasions? Why do you think that we celebrate special occasions? On the topic of family, you may be asked, how important is it in your view for families to share special occasions? What are some of the changes that have occurred in family life in recent years? How do you think that family life may change in the future? For entertainment, the examiner may ask you, what are the different forms of popular entertainment in your country? How was the entertainment available for your grandparents different from the entertainment available today? What forms of entertainment do you think will be popular in the future? As you can see, the kinds of questions you are asked in part 3 are more challenging than the previous 2 parts of the speaking test. Rather than focusing on your own experiences, the questions in part 3 are designed to see how well you can express your opinions and discuss and speculate about various topics.